cockroach, now next system, that's the excretory system, right? Can you tell me which structure helps in excretion? We have learned in alimentary canal. Which structure helps in excretion? Gia?
Malpighian tubules.
Correct. Malpighian tubules. Can anyone tell me how many numbers of Malpighian tubules? Sakshi?
150 to 200.
Oh no, my mistake. 100 to 150. Okay, 100 to 150. My mistake. Next, Arpita, can you tell me the location of Malpighian tubules?
मैम salivary gland.
Salivary gland कहाँ से आया? Malpighian tubules. Between which two structure this one is present? Remember? तीन पार्ट से foregut, midgut, hindgut. Between the foregut, midgut, hepatic CK. Midgut and hindgut, which one? Malpighian tubules are there. Remember? Okay. So just understand over here कि यहाँ से alimentary canal आ रहा है. ये midgut part है. Right? Then next, here the hindgut part is there. At the junction of this midgut and hindgut, this Malpighian tubule. यहाँ पे just एक ही Malpighian tubule बताया आपको. Right? Understand करना है how the excretion process occur. See, in cockroach we have discussed already that 3 types of nitrogenous waste are there. Either organism excrete ammonia or urea or uric acid. We have discussed now, remember?
Ma'am, this point you haven't discussed.
नहीं डिस्कस किया ही होगा अर्थफॉर्म में. फिर मैंने बोला है कि अर्थफॉर्म इज अमोनोटेलिक ऑर्गेनिज्म.
हाँ, yes.
Without that, the X-ray system cannot be completed.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay. So remember, 3 types of nitrogenous wastes are there. Either urea, uric acid, and ammonia. Right? Here, remember, organism excrete uric acid. Cockroach जो है, insect generally क्या कौन से फॉर्म में nitrogenous waste release करते हैं? That's the uric acid. Right? So how the uric acid that is formed by this Malpighian tubule, that now we are going to learn. आपको ये तो पता है कि चलो कौन सा the structure which helps in excretion Malpighian tubule. Number 100 to 150. Color yellow. Location midgut and hindgut. Junction. Right? Now the mechanism. So in cockroach, one thing is there that remember cockroach में open type of circulation is there. Arthropoda. If you remember, कि यहाँ पे suppose heart है, then these vessels break over here and pour the blood into the coelom. ऐसे हमने एनिमल किंगडम में लर्न किया है. रिमेम्बर, यस और नो? राइट. सो जस्ट इमेजिन ओवर हियर दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड विद दिस कंसेप्ट कि ओवर हियर द ब्लड इज देयर. कॉकरोच ब्लड एंटायरली कॉकरोच ब्लड इज प्रेजेंट बिकॉज इसके पास तो ऐसा कोई सिस्टम है ही नहीं. हमारे में जैसे क्लोज सिस्टम है, द ब्लड रिमेन इन द ब्लड वेसल एंड हार्ट, उससे बाहर नहीं आता है. यस और नो? Right? Just imagine agar that blood come outside in our body, then all organ bath into this blood. Yes or no? Right? So this thing actually happens into cockroach because cockroach may blood come outside from the circulatory system. Right? So everywhere over here blood is present, and here this blood actually we call hemolymph. ये जो होता है इसको नेम क्या दिया है? hemolymph. Basically it's a blood, but name given it's a hemolymph. Right? So whatever the waste is there, this waste present in this blood or hemolymph. Yes or no? हमारे में भी क्या है, ब्लड में ही वेस्ट जाता है, फिर किडनी में जाके प्योरीफाई होता है. यस और नो? सो सेम थिंग हैपेंस ओवर हियर फ्रॉम दिस hemolymph in which the waste is present like CO2. फिर इसमें वाटर भी होगा, तो वाटर भी एब्जॉर्ब होता है by this Malpighian. And this is very very important, note down for NEET. NEET में ये आया है, not given in your text. Sodium and potassium urate. sodium potassium urates are present in the blood of cockroach or hemolymph of cockroach. H2O present, CO2 present. So all these things get absorbed by Malpighian tubule. CO2, H2O, sodium, potassium, urate. Right? Now, next thing, that once it absorbed by this Malpighian tubule, then after, see, here this sodium, potassium urate, CO2 and water, they all react with each other. तो इससे क्या फॉर्म होगा? H2O and CO2 से कार्बनिक एसिड फॉर्म होता है. H2CO3 यू कॉल कार्बनिक एसिड. या सर? केमिस्ट्री में आता है ना ये H2CO3 कार्बनिक एसिड्स, राइट? सो दिस CO2 plus H2O when react तो it form कार्बनिक एसिड. ये सोडियम पोटेशियम देन दिस रिएक्ट विद दिस H2CO3. तो सोडियम पोटेशियम यूरेट किस में कन्वर्ट हो गए? नाउ सोडियम पोटेशियम बाइकार्बोनेट्स. Bicarbonates are essential for the maintaining the pH in our body, right? H2O भी फॉर्म होता है एंड यूरेट जो है वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो गए? यूरिक एसिड. जो सोडियम पोटेशियम यूरेट था, सोडियम पोटेशियम नाउ कन्वर्ट इनटू सोडियम पोटेशियम बाइकार्बोनेट्स. Urate part converts into what? Uric acid. Uric acid that is the what? Excretory waste, right? So water जो reaction के time पे form हुआ, that is again enter into what? Reabsorb into hemolymph or blood of cockroach. Same way bicarbonates भी क्या हो जाते हैं? Reabsorb. But this uric acid that enter into hindgut. This uric acid enter into hindgut and through the rectum and anus it release outside. तो जैसे in human excretory system हमारे में excretory pore is there, urethral opening is there through which the urine come outside, and anus through which fecal matter come outside, right? Here both the things come outside by single opening, that's the anus. Fecal matter as well as uric acid, right? So remember, in this way, the uric acid formation occurs. बोलिए, क्लियर है आपको ये कंसेप्ट? बोलिए जिया.
मैम कैन वी से कि मतलब जो मालपीजियन ट्यूब्यूल्स है किडनी की तरह थोड़ा मतलब फंक्शन
हाँ,
उसके थोड़े
यस
similar
यस, प्रिमिटिव फॉर्म है ये सब. किडनी के प्रिमिटिव फॉर्म्स है दिस ऑल, राइट? राइट. Now next system. Okay, so extracellular system. In that first we have learned Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules, remember, they are lined by, इसमें भी कौन से cells होते हैं? Glandular cells. Malpighian tubules are lined by glandular as well as ciliated epithelial cells, right? It absorbs the nitrogenous waste product, convert them into uric acid and release outside through the hindgut. It releases uric acid, that's why we call organism is uricotalic. That process we call uricotalism. Right? Now, other structures are also present, which also carry out the excretion. One of the structure is fat body. Fat body, it's a one kind of adipose cell, right? Cockroach, ये body wall है. Just imagine this is the cockroach body wall. This cockroach body wall, just beneath that, here adipocytes are present, right? And in this adipocyte, instead of to store that fat, here which these fat cells are actually modified. Adipocytes are modified to store uric acid over here, nitrogenous waste, right? This thing helps in and how this thing released outside, right? Malpighian tubules है तो वो तो एलिमेंट्री कैनल में एंटर हो जाते हैं एंड द थिंग्स आर रिलीज आउटसाइड. आर यू ऑल गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? यस और नो? राइट. फैट बॉडी क्या होता है आपको पता है? यू नो कॉकरोच लार्वा वी कॉल द नीम्फ. पहले स्मॉल कॉकरोच होता है, बेबी कॉकरोच नीम, ग्रेजुअली कन्वर्ट्स इनटू एडल्ट वन. सो टू दैट फॉर कन्वर्जन नीम टू एडल्ट, आपने स्नेक में सुना होगा कि स्नेक शेड देयर स्किन. यस और नो? ओके, स्नेक्स शेड
मैम वो
देयर
स्किन
स्किन.
कास्टिंग ना
हाँ, yes,
इसमें
skin
क्या
cast.
था?
Yes, yes, right. So this one over here, nymph to adult conversion. For that, they shade their skin 13 times. nymph to adult में convert होने के लिए cockroaches shade their skin how many times? 13 times. And जैसे जैसे skin remove होती है, यहाँ पे एक और एक new layer form हो जाता है skin का, and this much portion shade. So with that, this waste also released outside. Right. So that's why this fat body also helps in what? This excretion. Right. Then second is the nephrocytes. Second, nephrocytes. Nephrocytes are present generally surrounding the heart. Okay, we will learn the circulatory system. So nephrocytes present generally surrounding the heart of the cockroach, and again this helps in to release the excretory waste. Okay. And last one, that is the uricose gland. Now, uricose gland present only in male cockroach, remember, not in female. It's a part of reproductive system actually. So during gamete formation, whatever the waste is formed, that waste is collected into this uricose gland, which is a part of male reproductive system. And during the time of to release the sperm outside, it releases the uric acid also. Right? So uricose gland, fat body, and the nephrocytes, all three are the other external structures which carried out the excretion. Out of these three, in female present only two, fat body and nephrocytes. In male, all three, fat body, nephrocytes, and uricose gland. बोलिए, क्लियर है आपको एक्सटर्नल सिस्टम ऑफ कॉकरोच? Right? Now the next, okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will go for the next system. No doubt? Okay. Next system, that's the respiratory system. Respiratory system, if you remember in Arthropoda phylum, one line is given. Some of the insect can respire through lungs, book gills, trachea. Remember this line? So here cockroach that can respire through which one? Trachea. Here the main structure, that is the trachea. Right? Now understand the one concept. In cockroach, in human, can you tell me जो respiratory in human respiratory system is connected with circulatory system, yes or no? Think about this and tell me. Jia?
यस मैम, क्योंकि ब्लड
How?
हीमोग्लोबिन कैरी करता है और हीमोग्लोबिन कैरीज वन हीमोग्लोबिन
Oxygen.
कैरीज 4 ऑक्सीजन.
Yes, right. So to transport gases, for that blood circulatory system is required anyhow. But in cockroach, circulatory system and respiratory system both are totally separated. Okay, here blood is not required to transport oxygen. Remember, different system is present that you call tracheal system. Okay, we call which system? Tracheal system, which helps in circulation of oxygen and CO2 also. Clear hai itna first step ko? Right? Now, in this, first, see, three things that you have to learn. एक है spiral, second trachea, means tracheal tubes, and then tracheoles. Right? Now, spiracle, it's a pore-like structure. Spiracle is a pore-like structure. Just imagine कि यहाँ पे एक pore है. This pore is formed by circular muscles. Right? See, अब fingers and thumb को join करके circle बनाते ना, वैसे बनाओ. एक ही hand का, जिया. Use only one hand. One hand. हाँ, that's actually correct. Right? Now, close this pore. देखो center में pore दिख रहा है आपको. Gap है. Right? Close करो. Fingers को inside ले जाओ. And pores को close करो. Yes, correct. Right? So this is the opening closing process is there. It's a simple pore, but opening closing process, and this thing is controlled by this circular muscle. Muscles contract, relax, and with that the pore get open and close. बोलिए, पहले ये समझ में आया? This pores you call spiracles. This pores you call spiracles. Spiracles, total 10 pairs of spiracles are present. 10 pairs, remember. So total हो गएंगे 20. Either you can say that 10 pairs or 20. Out of these 10 pairs, 2 pairs located in thorax region and 8 pairs located in the abdomen region. Thorax में भी कहाँ पे? Walking legs है, right? Walking legs का जहाँ पे coxa का joining होता है with the body wall, that first segment of walking leg join with the body. तो अगर हम leg को just pull करेंगे ना, we can easily see that structure. It's a pore, spiracle. So one pair at this mesothoracic leg, second pair metathoracic leg. Prothorax में ये नहीं होता है spiracle, meso and meta में होता है, right? So 2 pairs of spiracles present in thorax, 8 pairs present in abdominal region, right? Now these spiracles or the pores, which their opening and closing is regulated by the circular muscles, and that we call the sphincter. उसको एक name दिया है, that we call what? Sphincter. You know, हमारे हार्ट में भी valves होते हैं, valves in this position, right? तो ये longitudinal form में है, तो हम उसको valve बोलते हैं. Circular है तो उसको बोलेंगे sphincter. Ultimately both helps in what? To regulate opening and closing. Okay. Now, so from the spiracles, just imagine spiracles are present, and these spiracles present on the body wall. So directly get that comes in contact with atmosphere, right? On the body wall. Just imagine कि skin के ऊपर अगर spiracle है, तो वो directly contact में होगा atmosphere के, right? Now, so from the atmosphere, oxygen is captured by the spiracle. This oxygen, यहाँ पे ये सारे spiracles हैं, body wall के ऊपर, see, right? Once it capture the oxygen, pore get closed, and then this oxygen enter into this tubular structure. Then it further divided into small tubules, and at the end, tracheole, small tracheole-like structures are formed. These tracheoles enter into each cell. Right? See, tracheal tubes. Tubes are a larger structure. Larger structure cannot be entered into cell. It has to be converted into small one. That's why blood, artery and vessel hai. Still it convert into capillaries to supply the blood into the each and every cell. Right? Same way over here, tracheoles are there. Small branches of tracheal tube. So spiracles capture the oxygen, transfer to the tracheal tubes. Then through the tracheal tubes, it enter into tracheoles, and tracheoles open into the cells. So by this way, now the each and every cells get the oxygen. Yes or no? Right? Without involvement of blood or hemolymph. Next, तो अभी CO2 रिलीज करना है तो कैसा होगा? ऑपोजिट प्रोसेस. फ्रॉम द सेल्स CO2 एंटर इनटू फर्स्ट ट्रैक्यूल. ट्रैक्यूल से कहाँ पे जाएगा? ट्रैकियल ट्यूब्स एंड देन स्पाइरेकल्स थ्रू विच इट रिलीज आउटसाइड. ओके, सो रिमेम्बर MCQ में जनरली आता है. सो CO2 के लिए पूछा है और O2 के लिए. रीड दिस क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. If O2 is given, then sequence from which one? Spiracle. Spiracle to tracheal tubes to tracheals to cell. And CO2 है तो cells में CO2 form होगा as a metabolic waste. Right? तो CO2 है के लिए है तो cells to tracheal tubes to tracheoles to tracheal tubes to spiracles. This is the pathway that you have to learn. And simply, when tracheoles enter into the cells, the gases easily can diffuse inside the cell. So by simple diffusion process, that gases exchange process can take place. बोलिए, clear है? This is the respiratory system of cockroach. Any doubt in this? No?
No.
Okay. Now next system, that is this nervous system. Nervous system of cockroach. Remember in earthworm we have learned that nerve ring, suprapharyngeal, subpharyngeal, and then connective, that form a nerve ring like structure. Okay. Now, so cockroach in that same way nerve ring structure is formed in the head region. See, this is the head region, right? Next, here the thorax 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then abdomen regions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and total 10. Like this. Right? ये हो गया आपका head region. Okay, head, thorax, and abdomen. ये parts clear है first. Right? Now, again remember one thing. Here the nervous system located on which side? Ventral. Invertebrates में common है ventral side. Vertebrates में हमारे में कहाँ पे? Dorsal side, जहाँ पे हमारा backbone है. Right? ये हमारे से opposite है, exactly opposite. On ventral side, the nervous system is there. Now, here in the head region, that mass of neuron that form a ganglia. Just imagine कि यहाँ पे esophagus का part आ रहा है. Alimentary canal का कौन सा part है? Esophagus. Right? Then next, here one more small mass of ganglion is there. This one you call supraesophageal. Esophagus के surrounding में है, that's why you call supraesophageal ganglion. ये below है, that's why we call subesophageal ganglion. Supraesophageal ganglion, subesophageal ganglion, and both are connected to each other. And by that way, it form a ring-like structure. Okay, entire ring-like structure is formed. बोलिए, इतना क्लियर है? जहाँ पे बिगनिंग होगा इसोफेगस का, ओवर देयर वन मास ऑफ न्यूरॉन इज फॉर्म, वी कॉल सुप्राइसोफेज. एंड होता है इसोफेगस का, ओवर देयर आल्सो वन मास ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स इज फॉर्म, वी कॉल सबइसोफेजियल गैंग्लियन. एंड बोथ गैंग्लिया आर कनेक्टेड विथ ईच अदर, दैट वी कॉल कनेक्टिव, सर्कम इसोफेजियल commissure or connective. And by this way, entire ring-like structure is formed. Okay, and that ring you call nerve ring. That you call the nerve ring. Right? After that, the double ventral nerve cord arise. Can you make out over here? See. Here nerve ring is completed. Now the thorax region start. So from that, the double ventral nerve cord arise. double है, ventral position and now cord arise. Now, in thorax, in each segment a pair of ganglia is there. This is the prothorax, mesothorax, metathorax. Right? Prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. So from that a pair of ganglia arise. And from the ganglia, the nerves are arise. So it can send the message to that particular segment. जैसे earthworm में था, same. These are we call segmental nerves. So ये prothorax को message send करेगा. यहाँ पे ये mesothorax को send करेगा. And this one for metathorax. बोलिए, first इतना clear है? Right? Now, next is abdominal segments. Abdominal segments total number 10. But ganglia present 6. Why? Because see here one pair is there, second pair, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth one is the largest one. Sixth segment of abdomen, over there the largest ganglia is there, which supply the message to 7, 8, 9, 10 segments. So 7, 8, 9, 10 में actually जो reproductive system का genital pouch form होता है, remember? Genital pouch, that's why over that this ganglia cannot be fit. So ganglia present in what? Which segment? That's the sixth one. And from that the nerves arising and that send the message to all these further segments 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 ganglia in thorax, 3 ganglia in thorax, 6 ganglia in abdomen. Remember. Right? And here the double ventral nerve cord is there. बोलिए, इतना क्लियर है आपको? This is the simple nervous system of cockroach. Right? Now, one thing that head region, now we are going to learn that's the one of the fact. आपको सरप्राइज है, ह्यूमंस का अगर हेड कट कर दो, कैन इट बी सर्वाइव फॉर अ वीक? नो, राइट? बट कॉकरोच में पॉसिबल है. ऑलरेडी आई हैव गिवन द रीजन फॉर दैट. Because in cockroach, respiratory system and circulatory system both are separated. In case of humans, both dependent on each other. Head cut, blood vessel cut, supply of oxygen cut, person dead. Right? So if cockroach head is cut, still their thorax and abdomen can work, can show the movement maximum up to 1 week. It can live, it will live for a week. Right? Now, head region, okay, in that supraesophageal ganglion which acts as a brain, that supply, जो मैंने आपको बताया ना कि यहाँ पे supraesophageal होगा, subesophageal and यहाँ पे ये connective. So from that the nerves arise. इससे भी nerves arise होंगे, from this part also nerves arise. Okay, so this thing supply ये head region में है, तो head में तो क्या present है? एक antenna है. Okay, and दूसरा क्या है? Compound eyes. So this structure, brain part, this one consider as a brain, primitive brain, which supply the message to antenna and compound eyes. Right? Now, this is very important. Analyze the structure of sense organs in cockroach. If question asked, then we have learned so many. That's the structure. Remember, in yesterday class, that the last class we have studied this thing. Can you give me some name of that sense organ which are present in head region? Generally, sense organ present in anterior part, head region. बोलिए. Jia?
Ma'am, antenna.
Yes, antenna. Okay, which can detect the food and object. Second, Zil.
That
Second, compound eyes. वो भी तो सेंसरी, जैसा हमारे आईज भी सेंसरी है, सेंस करते इमेज को,
Yes.
सेम वे सो दिस इज कंपाउंड आईज आल्सो सेंसरी। फिर मैक्सिला में मैंने मैक्सिलरी पल्प एंड लेबिया में लेबियल पल्प्स। ओके, ये दो स्ट्रक्चर्स आपको बताए थे। सो मैक्सिलरी पल्प जो ऐसे हैंड लाइक आर्म लाइक स्ट्रक्चर था ना, which helps in gathering the food, right? Second is a labial pulp, and last one is, remember phonoreceptor, मैंने एक स्ट्रक्चर को बताया था, which one is a phonoreceptor which can detect the vibrations in ground? No one, है ना? Anal cerci. Okay, anal cerci behaves as a phonoreceptor organ. So remember, this is the list of sense organs in cockroach. Okay, now the last thing that already actually we have discussed, compoundized structure. Okay, structure of compound eye, in that see, compound eyes that is made by so many small units. Okay, so many small units are there, and that units we called ommatidium. एक ये आपको new learn करना है. Okay, see this picture here. Can you make out कि यहाँ पे ये इसके eyes है insect के. This is, and that is divisible into so many small pixels. See, right? Each pixel, each one, each unit, ऐसे जितने भी units है, each one you called ommatidium. Plural is ommatidia. Singular ommatidium. Approximate 2000 ommatidia are present, and their shape is hexagonal. Hexagonal shape, number 2000 ommatidia, and each one perceive a separate image. All things that sensed by the nervous system, okay, and the entire image is formed. But this image is not a clear image. Mosaic vision is there. So sensitivity है, but resolution power इसका कैसा है? Less. More sensitivity, but resolution is less. जबकि हमारे में resolution high है. We can see the clear image. Right? So more sensitivity and less resolution, remember. And that is actually adapted for which one? Nocturnal vision, because this one is a nocturnal organism active during the night, right? So this thing actually helps in during the night, nocturnal vision. बोलिए, क्लियर है आपको? Understood? Compound eyes.
Yes.
Okay, tell me, how many